Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. This is Shrikant Chouhan from Kotak Securities PSU Research, and today let's start with global markets as most of the Asian markets and US market closed higher. Chinese stocks reversed earlier losses after the positive data related to the economy. IIP at 4.5% and retail sales at 4.6%. Both these figures beat expectations. Broader Asian markets also gained following Wall Street higher after strong US PPI and retail sales data bolstered hopes of a soft landing. However, that has caused bond yield to jump to the levels of 4.28% and dollar index to the levels of 105.30 from the levels of 104.5, which will minimize inflows for the emerging markets. If we go through with our markets, then there we saw again one more sideways sort of consolidation sort of pattern on Thursday on the day of weekly expiry of Nifty 50, and the market remained in a range. However, 20,050, 20,040 acted as major support for it. On the higher side, 20,160, 170 was the resistance, and today again 20,200 going to act as major resistance for it. Above that, we can expect gradual move towards 20,400. On the downside, 20,000 is going to act as support, and below that only we can expect weakness to the levels of 19,900. For the Bank Nifty, there also we saw sideways sort of activity, but today 46,200 is going to act as trend decider level. Above that, the chances of hitting 46,400, which was the all-time highest level, and 46,600, which is the next level based on extensions, going to act as major resistance and seems achievable. On the downside, 45,700 is the level. Below that only we can expect weakness in the Bank Nifty. But for the IT index, there we saw some reaction from the highs of 33,300. Above that only we can expect bullishness. Otherwise, we are expecting Nifty IT index to consolidate within the range. Yesterday we saw good amount of activity in metals, Realty and PSU banks. So from the metal basket, we like Tata Steel as well as Hindalco, and from the metals and mining space, we like NMDC. From the real estate basket, DLF as well as Lodha Developers, both are looking really strong, and in both the stocks we are expecting furthermore activity in the near term. But for the PSU banks, Canara Bank as well as Bank of Baroda did well. PNB is moving towards the levels of 78 based on its pivot levels. From the private banks, HDFC Bank could receive inflows of $500 million from the FTSE rebalancing and $102 million from change in its weightage in Sensex and other ETFs. So that will also remain in action. Yesterday the HDFC Bank was around 1640-42. The next level to watch out for would be 1670 and 1700. On the downside, support would be at 1610 and 1580. The trend for the HDFC Bank is upward. We can expect further more activity in the near term. That's all from my side for the day. With this, I am ending today's call. Thank you very much for listening me. Have a great day and nice weekend to all of you.